What's up, guys? We have today the king of the Nokia brand, the Nokia 9 Pureview. Yes, we have it. Before we open the box, let's go through some stuff over here. We have Android 9 Pie, we have Pureview Zeiss Optics 5 cameras in the back. We have 20 megapixel in front, pure display, screen POLED, 6-inch, 2K resolution, under screen fingerprint, wireless charging, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB of storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 last year processor, but it's the first in my channel, the strongest so far in my channel. I don't have any 8055 so far, so welcome. This is the phone, guys. This is what I would actually call the spider web camera, because it looks like a spider web and it looks like it's very interconnected. So let's open up the box and see what is inside. Man, finally I have this phone. I'm gonna test the hell out of this phone, man. All right, look at this guy. Yeah. All right, let's put this thing over here. Shall we check things out first? No, I think I'm so excited. Let's just open the phone and see, and check out the IOs, the quality. Oh, wow. What is this? The phone, guys, is so premium. Check this out. Look at the reflection of the light. So this color is blue. It's the only color that a Nokia have, and I thought it would be like brighter than this one. It's kind of darker, but look at this color, guys. It's awesome. And here's the spider web cam. We have 1, 2, 3. Actually, I think 2 monochromes, 2 RGB sensor, and 3 monochromes. We have 2 RGB sensor and 3 monochromes. We don't know which one is because they look the same to me, and they have the same focal length. So no wide angle, no extra zooms. This guy over here, this dark point over here, is the time of flight sensor that will help in the bokeh mode when you're cutting the edges and differentiate between the what do you call it, the distance between subjects. And this is a flashlight, as you can see over here. We have a microphone on the back, which is really good. And I heard they have like stereo system microphone, like quad mic. Let me just check for the other mic. Let's look at the IO on the top. We have a SIM card. Also, it doesn't support an SD card, guys. It only supports dual SIM card. And we have, this is the top microphone. So we have one on the back, one on the top, and we have one on the, here's the other, guys. So we have 3 microphones. So that's it in the front or the upper side. Let's take a look on the right side. We have the volume up and down. Actually the quality of the volume is very, very high quality. It's very tactile, very hard. It's not like these low quality phones that you have, like cheap phones. So it's really great. That's it on the right side. On the back we have speaker, type C, and the microphone. That's it. On the left side, then what do we have here? Oh, guys, we don't have anything on the left side. What is this? Oh, we have nothing. We have nothing on the left side. So that's a kind of waste of space. You could have added anything here, Google Assistant, anything, whatever. I'm just saying, not complaining. Yeah, this is the phone, guys. The quality is really great. Very, very, very sturdy, guys. The quality of production is really, really great. Glass on glass, and is metal on the sides. Very high quality. Let's put this guy over here. let's see what we have next. Some rejector tool. Little paperworks. And we have, whoa, this guy is so big. That's a charge. Let's take a look. Open the other side. So we have what? That's a lot of things. Okay. This is the charger Type C, and this is the headphones. This is the headphones. Looks like a good quality headphones, but it is 3.5 millimeters, so it doesn't fit in the phone. With that said, they provide you with the dongle. Well, at least you get something, you know, you can use it. But here you go, guys. Nokia giving you everything. Yeah, let's look at this guy over here. It's faster. I think an 18-watt fast charger. It's not that, but it's big. So let's take a look. It says output 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt 2 amps. Yeah, 12 volts 1.5. So yeah, it's 18 watt. That's not the fastest out there, but this phone is not about the charging, the other things, or it's just about the camera. They made this phone for the camera, and I've heard there's a lot of slow processing thing going on with the camera. I don't know anything about that, so I'm gonna test it and see if these claims are true. The phone, actually, I'm gonna take pictures and put this against the P20 Pro, which is this phone over here. I'm gonna test, because there's no zoom. It's gonna be like main camera versus main camera. There's no other additions at all. How good quality this phone can push. So I cannot wait to test that, guys. This is the unboxing for you guys, and for the Nokia 9 Pureview. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and see you guys later.